name is Pascale Gibon, and I am delighted to welcome you to the Everyday Life Balance Show, the podcast for men and women who want to create more balance and harmony in their life on a mental, physical, and spiritual level. Every Monday, you get access to insights, practical tools, and strategies on well-being, personal development, life fulfillment, and success from experts in their field and from me, your change catalyst. It is my mission to guide you to happiness and help you find greater joy, inner peace, and balance. This is an invitation to you, the listener, to transform your life one step at a time. Welcome to day 4 of Breaking Barriers, the 5-part journey to overcome fear and embrace success. I'm Pascale Gibon, your host, and this is episode 356 of the Everyday Life Balance Show. You know what? I'm excited about the progress we've made so far. Let's take a moment to reflect on your journey. So far, you've, number 1, identified your fear. Number 2, transformed your relationship with the fear of success. And number 3, seen what lies beyond the fear barrier. Take a deep breath and ask yourself, how does it feel now to claim victory over the fear of success? But here is the thing, you are not entirely free yet. Let me explain why. Resistance often persists whenever we try to remove something from our lives. Why? Because we are unclear about what to replace it with to experience progress. In the context of our challenge, you want to overcome the fear of success. However, if you are uncertain about what you desire to replace it with, it will likely show up again, perhaps even more intensely. Let me provide you with a template to help you craft your new success story. The structure of that template will guide you through the process, especially if you are finding it challenging to envision your new narrative. Remember, this is your story, so feel free to adapt this template to fit your unique situation and aspirations. Here is your new success story template. Number 1, the starting point. Begin with where you are right now. For example, I am your name, and I'm ready to embrace success without fear. I'm Juliette, and I'm ready to embrace success without fear. Number 2 is the transformation. Describe the shift in your mindset. For instance, I have realized that my fear of success was holding me back, but now I see it as a sign that I'm growing and expanding. Number 3, your new beliefs. List 3 to 5 new empowering beliefs that replace your old fears. For example, I can handle any challenges that come with success. My success inspires and uplifts others. I deserve to achieve my goals and dreams. Number 4, your actions. Describe 2 to 3 actions moving you towards your goals. For instance, I'm consistently working on improving my skills. I'm networking with people who inspire and challenge me. I diligently spend time writing my book every single day. Number 5, the results. Paint a vivid picture of what success looks like for you. For example, because I've made changes, I have specific achievements, I feel positive emotions, and I'm excited about future goals. Because I've made changes, I have written my first book, and I'm excited about writing the next one. And number 6, the ongoing journey. Acknowledge that growth is continuous. For instance, I know I will meet challenges ahead, but I'm ready to face them. Each obstacle is an opportunity to learn and grow stronger. Take your time with this exercise. Let your imagination soar and ensure your story feels authentic and achievable. This is your new narrative. Make it powerful and inspiring, and most importantly, make it yours. Your mission on day 4, should you accept it, is to write your new success story. Until next time, keep taking steps to transform your results positively. I wish you a fantastic week and look forward to our connection next Monday. I'm sending you lots of love and light. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thank you for reviewing and rating the Everyday Life Balance podcast on iTunes. And thank you for subscribing to this podcast so that you can continue to get training each time I release a new episode. I look forward to connecting with you next week. And as always, yes, you can dream it, create it, live it.